I found a way you can generate virtual card for free. Now with this method, you can generate either mastercard, visacard, or any other card without limit. Now with this virtual card, you can use it on those websites that require 3 days trial, 7 days trial, even 30 days trial without being debited. So you don't necessarily have to fund the card. Follow this process and don't forget to subscribe. The first thing you need to do is to go on your browser and type card generator. And once you're done, click on the first link that will appear. This particular link, you can check the description for the link. So once you click on it, you can see the details. You can use it to generate a Visa card. You can use it to generate a MasterCard. You can generate an American Express card and generate a Discover card and even JCB card. Now remember, you can also use all these cards for online transactions without being debited. All right. So let's try and create a MasterCard. Once you click on MasterCard, it will generate with all the details here. You can see all the details, the country, and CVV. You can continue to click on generate. Once you click on generate, the details will actually continue to change. All right. You can see the CVV, the expiry date, the address, and the name. You can highlight it and copy, or you can go on and use your snipping tool. If you want to download snipping tool, just go to snipping to download on your Chrome, and you will be able to download the snipping tool, snip it, and save it as MasterCard. All right, you can save it under your pictures folder and all that. If you have watched up to this point, kindly subscribe to this channel if you've not done so, and I will be glad you did. So next, let's go back. We want to generate a Visa card. So let's go back, click back. Let's generate a Visa card. Go down, follow the same process. Click on generate. You can have all the details. You can continue to click generate until you get the country of your choice. Go on and use the snipping tool again and click and drag. Then you can now go on and save. Save it as a Visa card, and let's actually save it in a folder. You can call the folder cards. All right. So click and save. So all the cards we are going to generate will be saved in one folder. That is file management. All right. Okay. So not just Visa card, you can also generate MasterCard. 10 cards at the same time. You can for example, let's generate a MasterCard in bulk. All right, bulk generates MasterCard. Now when you click on it, you'll be able to select the number of cards you want to generate, the number of MasterCard you want to generate, and you can also leave it in this data format, the JSON format. I want to generate 20 MasterCard. Once you click on generate, it will give you the exact 20 MasterCard. Then you have to start snipping it and saving it, use it for the purpose it has been generated for. Another way to generate this virtual card is clicking on this link. So once you click on the link, it will bring you to this website. Now here, you are able to select the country that you actually want the card. Click on country, then you can even generate the number of card. You can select the number of card that you want to generate. Click on add random name. It will add a random name to it. Click on add random address, random CVV, random country. If you've not selected a country, actually, once you click on generate, it should be able to give you the number of cards that you have put in JSON format. Of course, this is it. You can either download it or use your snipping tool again to get the card details. So thank you for watching. I hope you found the video useful, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.